You're not sure about him, buddy? What do you think? Baby Will. Nice. Remember, gentle. That's right. Gentle.
He's pushing away. He's like, yeah, I'm good, thanks. I don't want that thing. Listen to it yell.
Okay, let's not be rough, okay? Is that your brother? Will? Baby. Will. I know, "Ga" is everything you like, so that's good. He waved at you. And he holds his head up like you tried to hold your head up at that many days old.
Such ugly little baby legs.